Welcome to Soul Science and Fiction. Ever wonder if there are more trees on this planet than stars in our galaxy? Believe it or not, our Earth is home to more trees than there are stars in our Milky Way. Mother Nature's abundance right under our skies. Now let's take a light-speed journey. Did you know it takes approximately 8 minutes for sunlight to reach us from the sun? That's 93 million miles traveled every moment of daylight. From the vastness of space, we now delve into the microcosm of life. Picture this. A grasshopper hears the world through its belly. That's right, their ears are located on their abdomens, a peculiar twist in the insect world. Speaking of oddities, did you know that a cockroach can survive up to a week without its head? It eventually succumbs due to lack of water. Talk about a real-life zombie. In the world of reptiles, lizards use their tongues to smell. They capture scents from the air, a unique way to savor the world's flavors. Did you know that men are more likely to be colorblind than women? It's all in the genes. Our bodies hold astonishing wonders. The DNA in a single human body, if stretched out, could reach from the sun to Pluto and back, not once, but 17 times. An impressive journey across the solar system, right inside us. Thank you for exploring these wonders of science with us on Soul Science and Fiction. Stay curious and keep discovering. Now here's a question for you. What does severe deficiency of vitamin D result in? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating facts and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, keep the flame of curiosity alive.